In this short video, you'll learn how to create a portfolio within the Enrich Analytics platform. There's no one concept of a portfolio within your organization, so with the Enrich Analytics platform, you can build as many portfolios as you need. A portfolio can comprise your entire set of in-progress projects, an historical view of a subset of projects, an optional set of accelerated development plans for a department, or a set of projects not yet funded. Portfolios are composed of project snapshots. Each snapshot represents a specific project's complete set of costs, milestones, and benefits. Snapshots can contain the latest data for an initiative, data for that same initiative at some point in the past, or an aggressive spending scenario with alternative development and go-to-market plans. You can also include more than one snapshot for each project in the portfolio to compare multiple spending plans head-to-head. The many types of snapshots available within the Enrich Analytics platform make it easy to perform advanced variance, what-if, and scenario analytics. Create a new portfolio by clicking on the plus icon just above the Recent Portfolios dock on the system homepage, or on the new portfolio icon on the Authorized Portfolios page. Choose a name for your portfolio. You'll have other optional fields to fill out as well. Portfolios can be static or dynamic. Static portfolios change only when you or a colleague manually add or remove a project snapshot. Dynamic portfolios are defined by rules, grow and shrink automatically as your projects match those rules. Because these rules are applied to all projects in the system, dynamic portfolios require all projects permission or higher. Click the Create Portfolio button in the header to create the portfolio. Now you can begin adding projects. Static portfolios are defined by adding project snapshots one at a time or by selecting projects as a group after you have filtered down to a desired subset of snapshots. Don't forget to save your changes before you leave the configuration page. If you're ready to use the portfolio, just click the Save and Open button in the header. Now we'll create a dynamic portfolio. With dynamic portfolios, adding rules makes building portfolios easier than ever. You can define a portfolio based on project attributes such as division or phase. Click on the Attribute button and select an attribute. Then select one or more values to match. When you click Add Rule, the matching snapshots will be added to the portfolio, and you'll see the rule along with the number of snapshots matching the rule and the cumulative number of snapshots in the portfolio. You can save and open your portfolio or keep adding rules. Our last rule added latest published, or LPD, snapshots, but you can add historical and named snapshots as well. Use the buttons below the attribute selection controls to choose the kind of snapshots you'd like to match. Don't forget to add your rule with the Add Rule button. Now our portfolio has two rules. You can also use rules to exclude projects. Here, we'll exclude early phase projects from this portfolio with another rule. Before we click on Add Rule, we'll select the Not criteria. Note how the total number of snapshots in the portfolio is reduced by this rule. You can reorder the rules to fine-tune the composition of the portfolio. Rules are applied starting from the top of the list. You can also add snapshots to your dynamic portfolio one at a time, as you would add snapshots to a static portfolio. The master table is easily searchable across all columns, so you can find a specific scenario or snapshot created by a colleague. Now you'll see these snapshots included in the portfolio with one rule for each snapshot. Rules can be converted to a static set of snapshots by clicking a rule's Unlink icon. You'll see the rule replaced with a set of simple rules, adding those snapshots to the portfolio one by one. When you open the Authorized Portfolios page, you'll see a snapshot count column. The snapshot count for dynamic portfolios is updated when portfolios are opened or configured. If you think the count is out of date and want to know the snapshot count without opening the portfolio, simply click the refresh icon for that portfolio. Let's promote one of our assets from Phase 1 to Phase 2. We'll publish this change, and now when we open our Phase 2 asset portfolio, which is dynamic, we see the newly promoted project there. Looking at the list of portfolios in the system, the snapshot count for the Phase 2 asset portfolio has already been updated since it's been opened. But the count for the Phase 1 asset portfolio has yet to be updated. You can update it now by opening it or clicking its refresh icon. There's a lot more you can do when configuring your portfolio, from setting permissions to converting your portfolio as snapshots. For more information, use the context-sensitive help available wherever you see the blue info circle icons. Thanks for watching.